It's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLC. The shape ignites your passion for driving, and the engine delivers on that promise. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. Twin-turbo V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,